Guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can fix packet burst, lag, high ping, network jitters, and even stuttering on Warzone and Bo7. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what I suggest to do here is to create a restore point. Just on search, write create a restore point, press create, and then you just need to write whatever you like. In my case, it will be Bo7 here. And what it does, simply if you basically make something bad, you can always go back and restore to before you change some settings by just clicking system restore, choose a different restore point next, and then select and complete the steps, right? So this is the first step. Second step, what you need to do here is to go on view network connections, then look for your network connections here and disable everything that you don't use and leave it just with your connection, right? So just right click on it and disable it, and just disable it that you don't use. Simple. Then you just need to right click on your internet connection or internet connection, Wi-Fi, Ethernet, it really doesn't matter. Go to properties, then you need to just leave client for Microsoft Networks and Internet Protocol version 4 and disable all these settings as well. Then press on configure, press yes, press power management, and make sure only allow this device to wake the computer is on. Then go to advanced and then just copy my settings. So the first one, advanced EEE and RP offload should be disabled. Then EEE max support speed, leave it as this. Energy efficient Ethernet, flow control, gigabyte light, green Ethernet, interrupt moderation, IPv4 checksum offload, and jumbo frame should be disabled. Then large send offload to IPv4 and IPv6 should be disabled as well. Then network address not present, NS offload disabled, power saving mode disabled, priority and VLAN should be priority and VLAN enabled, receive buffers, leave it as this, shutdown wake on LAN should be disabled, speed and duplex should be highest available, TCP checksum offload IPv4 and TCP checksum IPv6 should be disabled, transmit buffers should be, just leave it as this. Then UDP checksum offload IPv4 and UDP checksum offload IPv6 should be disabled as well. VLAN ID, leave it as this. Wake on magic packet and wake on pattern match should be disabled, and WOL shutdown link speed should be, just leave it as this, okay? And apply the changes. Then what you need to do here, look if you're getting better results or not. And if it's not, then you just need to go to properties, Internet Protocol version IPv4, and change DNS server addresses. So basically there is two main DNS servers, Google ones and Cloudflare's. For me, Cloudflare working better, but for you, you need to test it out. And to do so, you just need to open up CMD, run as admin, and then first I will show how you can test it out. So you just need to write ping, and then you need to write DNS server addresses. Google DNS is 8.8.8.8 here, and look what results you're getting. In my case, as you can see here, on average 9 ms. And if I put secondary Google DNS server, which is ping 8.8.4.4, as you can see, on average, I'm getting 9 ms. So on average, 9 ms. If I put Cloudflare's ping 1.1.1.1, you can see I'm getting 4 ms, and with ping Cloudflare's 1.0.0.1 secondary DNS, I'm getting 5 ms. So you just need to put Google or Cloudflare, depending what results you're getting, and apply the changes, restart your computer, look if the problem persists or not. And still, if you're getting not good results, then I suggest to use a exit lag. When I didn't had a Ethernet connection, I used exit lag playing CS2, and it was playable for me, and without it, I cannot play. So I believe it has 3 days free trial. If you sign up through my link, I will leave the link in the description below. Of course, I'm getting commission if you buy something, but nevertheless, with the free trial, just test it out and look if you're getting better results or not, just by going to library. Then you just need to write Black Ops 7, right? Select, then choose region, select closest to you. In my case, is Europe. And then you just need to apply routes. Once routes is applied, then you need to just run the game and look if you're getting better results or not. So yeah, that's basically it. And if I help you out, please press like.